Welcome to the Job Fair app. This app is a part of Virtual. Virtual is a WordPress module that brings the power of Tao.ai to any community platform hosted on WordPress around the world. Virtual is powering some of the world's largest community websites. On behalf of Team Virtual and Tao.ai, we would like to thank you for checking this app out. While our team is tirelessly working on making Tao.ai accessible and available to as many people around the world as possible, we are in no way there. We do seek feedback, suggestions, ideas from our growing community of future of work observers to keep us informed and engaged. We appreciate your strong support in making our bold vision of Tao, which is to bring learning, growth, development to the 99% of the working community possible. Before we begin, some household clearing items. Please keep in mind, Virtual and Tao.ai is an app on our partner's website. So if you are seeing any issue, it could be from resource constraint or server hiccups that our partner may be feeling as well. While we have a limited role in resolving such issues to happen on the partner's side areas, we can help out. And we have found in some of the following steps to be effective in solving any issue. So what you can do, you can clean up your cache or try again using a browser in private and incognito mode. So the cache issue is no longer at play when you are working on the site. Or you can try accessing the website at a non-peak hours. Sometimes there are a lot of people accessing the site and our partners are seeing a limited resource due to heavy traffic. So you can try waiting for a while and then trying again. And we do understand the frustration, but we do appreciate your cooperation. If you're still seeing the issue, please take the snapshot of the problem and add the URL and email your problem to info@tao.ai, that's info@tao.ai, with the subject virtual issue. And do not forget to mention the URL you are seeing the issue on, as well as the email and username that you used. Our team would engage and get in touch with our partners, and if the issue is in our end, we will get in touch and help resolve the issue as soon as possible. So let's begin the demo. To start, you must visit the app page. Currently, all the apps on Virtual requires users to sign up unless instructed otherwise. If you are not signed up, you will be instructed to login default page on Virtual. Click the sign up today to reserve your spot button to get to the login link. Now, if you have the login credential, go ahead and put that in to login. If not, look for a register or create an account link or sign in link that is given on the site. And once you click that link, just proceed with the next steps to make sure to create your account. Please remember, the site may require you to verify your email. So wait about 15 minutes to receive the email on your inbox, and do check your spam folder for those emails to verify the account to get to the next step. Once you have created an account or successfully signed up with the platform, you would be able to access the app. Go to the Virtual app by visiting the website and domain name /virtual, and you will be able to see all the virtual apps available to you. Now click the app to enter. If you are signing up for the first time, Job Fair would require candidates to declare if they are signing up as job seeker or as recruiter. We will cover both settings. Job seeker, click job seeker, and recruiters, please click recruiter to move to next step. Let's click job seeker now, and we will cover recruiter as next. If you are signing up for the first time, Tao will require users to fill the settings page that informs Tao and fellow participants about attending candidate recruiters. The user is required to fill in as much information and as accurately as possible. This information is used by recruiters. Some usual information includes first name, last name, email, LinkedIn URL, your Twitter handle, GitHub URL, website URL, and any preferred video chat URL, as currently Virtual Job Fair does not support video chat. About me and fun fact is an important area to provide icebreaker points for the recruiter job seekers to connect. In core skills, add all the relevant skills that you are most proficient in. You are restricted to only add your top 5 skills currently, but we are working to improve that. In location, please provide location of nearest international airport from the drop-down option. Short description and CV resume, add relevant information in that. In the search category, please specify all relevant categories that applies. In searching for, specify all job types you are seeking for. Status has some extra categories for you to check. There are also some diversity questions provided to support some recruiting initiatives targeted toward diversity candidates. Select the declaration statement and click submit. As soon as you will see a home button once you submit, and it pops up near your submit button, which indicates successful submission of the form. If the home button does not show up, feel free to hit submit again to perform another run. You would be able to edit your settings during non-job fair live hours. You could come back to this page by clicking Settings tab on your job fair dashboard page. Let's go back on Settings page, and now let's click Recruiters. Recruiter settings is similar to candidate form, but a bit more attention is paid to skills that recruiters are hiring for and a bit more information about the company they represent. Recruiters and job seekers will have identical experience on job fair. Only primary difference is when the event is live. Recruiters will be able to engage through their own company chat page, while job seekers would be able to see all the recruiting companies they would have access to and pursue a conversation with them. Now, as job seeker as well as recruiters once complete their settings page, they will see the home button come next to the settings button. Once they press that, the app will get them back to on the dashboard page. Once setting is complete, users will see dashboard page for job fair. Dashboard page during non-live hours showcase that the event is not live and instruct users to come back during the live hours. Once the event is live, users will be instructed to live session. Now let's look at the live session. Please remember, Tao sends email to everyone before live session begins about the maps it has established between job seeker and recruiter. Keep a lookout on that and do check for your spam folders for such emails. Tao is instructed to celebrate only success. That means Tao encourages only relevant conversation on the platform during the live hours. So Tao is particular about matches and non-matches. We highly advise to keep an eye out on email before coming to the platform during the job fair hours. That is the safest way to ensure your profile is picked for the job fair and your time is well respected during the job fair live hours. During the live session, if job seeker is mapped to companies, they will be able to see the companies they could engage on the right page, on the right panel, and on the left panel includes all the companies they are already engaging with. For recruiters, this page will only include their company chat room that gets them to their job fair chat room for hosting conversations and engaging with job seekers as a group or on one-on-one basis. In some cases, candidates are not mapped to job seekers. These occurrences happens due to incomplete profiles, inadequate presence of job seekers or recruiters around skills, locations, and other job fair related parameters. So if you see this page, your profile is not mapped to a corresponding profile. So it is safe to assume your profile is not picked. Tao will send out email as soon as it has established a match for you. So keep a lookout on your email. This concludes the demo on job fair. We hope you like it. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us on info@tao.ai if you have any questions, suggestions, feedback for us. Thank you again so much for giving job fair a chance, and we wish you nothing but success, and we hope job fair would be able to get you your next dream job. Thank you, and looking forward to hearing back from you.